Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. We just unboxed this massively huge pallet, as you can see over there. And so we're going to go ahead and list. And we get to list old school because my scanner decided it was going to die today. And so we're going to have to list everything manually with a number, so we'll see how quickly we can get that done. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, just as a reminder, we've already done the full unboxing, so if you haven't seen that, check the end of this video. It'll be linked at the very, very end. But this was a Bulq.com pallet of uninspected returns. It was supposed to be a lot of apparel, but we found a lot of other interesting things in it, like bidets and things like that. So we're going to see what we can actually sell. We do have apparel such as shoes and things like that, so I'm really excited about that going on Poshmark. So it retailed for $6,700, ended up having 65 items in it. Every item averaged out to be around the $8 mark, and so hopefully we can make money on this. And so I paid a total of $515. That was $315 plus the $200 shipping, and with the $200 shipping, that was before Bulq changed to calculated shipping. I actually get shipping much better rates than that now because I can buy multiples at a time. So let's go ahead and just get started listing, and we'll see where we're at. So Paul's going to use his phone for some of the scanning to find out, is it even on the Amazon platform? If it is, then he'll go ahead and tell me the number manually so I can put it in to Amazon Seller Central.
Is that scanner still throw a red light?
Yeah, it's charging, so we'll see if we can get it to work. It's not...
Sad.
I know, I think I broke it. I dropped it one too many times, I guess.
Okay, this one looks like it's on there.
Okay, yes.
680863171002.
All right, yes, that's the culinary cordless glass tea water kettle.
Yes, very good condition.
Okay, great. Looks like we can sell that. In new condition. All right. Let me change. Looks like we're going to be able to sell it for $39.99 after fees. We're going to get $25.82. Has a great sales rank. Okay. All right, there was a glitch in the matrix and we fast forwarded really fast. So let me tell you where we're at. We've got a few things going to Poshmark, but so far we're at a total of 11 items. Net profit right now at $345.66. So we've got 11 items, $345.66. And then, so this is kind of our new pile that we've got. We added a few things there. I don't know why it stopped recording, but it did. So, but we paid $515 for everything. And so we're going to go ahead and just keep scanning away and see where we're at for profit. So we're pretty close to making up our money, and then we're just going to kind of go from there. So, sorry about having to read off all the numbers, but it's working so far. We're moving pretty fast. So he's using his phone to scan the barcodes. If it pops up on there and says that it's on Amazon, he'll go ahead and read them off to me, like this one.
Sweatpants, no good.
No good. All right, so...
They're not scanning.
Okay. Let's see. Those are mucklucks. I bet those are going to be on there.
Yeah, they should be on there.
Yep.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
033977204249.
Okay. Yes, those are on there. We can sell them in new condition.
Bag is trash. I'm gonna. Oh, this is the one that has a spot on it, Heather.
Oh, okay. So why don't we just save that?
Try to clean it off and see if it can go on Poshmark.
Yeah, we're gonna put it on Poshmark.
See if it'll go in there.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, because they're not in new condition.
Okay.
All right. Let's see if we can sell some floopy.
Good old floopy.
Good old floopy. Floopy slippers. Scanning?
No.
Just thinking about it.
This one. Nope.
I think we put most of the floopy ones on Poshmark.
Right.
I don't think we really sent.
Here's one.
That one? Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes.
781307454 56171.
Okay. All right, we can sell
These
it.
two go in the pause.
Okay. Let's see. $13.99. We're gonna make $6.60. So, not a huge profit on those, but it's something. Okay, cover this with another. Got 2 barcodes on this one. So. All right, so we are currently at 12 items for $352.26. I paid $5.15, so we're just shy of a couple $100 away. But
no, what we paid? We paid
$5.15.
$5.15.
So let me do the math real fast. Minus 352. We need to make $163 just to break even, and we've got quite the pile that's already going on Poshmark. And I did already post a humidifier. I already posted on Hooked on Pickin, so that's available already on Hooked on Pickin.
You've got 10 pairs of shoes.
Nice.
On Pickin
Okay.
Right now. Are you ready?
Yes.
793588560812.
Oh, yes. Hold on. I got to apply to sell. Need approval. I'm going to request approval real fast. Okay, I cannot sell these in new condition, so we're going to have to put them on Poshmark. But they are selling for, let's see, they're selling for $34 on Amazon, so we could probably get decent money on Poshmark for them. Okay.
Do you want to put them on Poshmark right now since you got the picture? Or no?
I'll do it afterwards. Okay. Yeah.
All right, this was a Braveman coat. It didn't scan, but most of ours go on Poshmark anyway.
Yep.
These suitcases. I think they're on there.
Oh, those are nice suitcases.
You ready?
Yep.
812836022091.
Yes. Carry-on spinner case. I know when I batch this out, it's going to make me send this to like Arizona or some really far away state. Woo! These are selling for $130.
Yeah, they're good.
Yeah, we're going to make $86 after fees. That's a good one. We're currently at 13 items, $438.37. Okay, there's a barcode on that.
Barcode was there.
Okay, so we'll just kind of stick it close to the general vicinity there. Alrighty, set it over here. Okay.
Got one for you. Ready?
Okay.
705320121496.
What is that, a curling iron?
Yeah.
Okay, there is no sales rank on this.
No sales rank?
No. But there's a picture, so set it aside. We're going to put it on Hooked on Pickin.
Okay.
How much is it selling for? Around $30-ish. Okay. Whenever you're ready.
Okay, another pair of shoes on Hooked on Pickin.
Okay. Or Poshmark.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, Poshmark.
Poshmark on those. Okay, I got one for you.
Okay.
883988343556.
Yes.
Sales rank?
Yep. 238,000. That thing's gonna sell as soon as it gets shipped.
Good looking pair of boots.
Yes. 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 Ooh, we have sold these before. $63.99, $43. All right, we're at 481. $481. Total items 14 going to Amazon. We're gonna have to use some big boxes to ship to Amazon. Good thing I got a bunch of Bulq boxes.
Another pair of shoes going to Poshmark.
Okay, Vincent Cavallo. All those men's dress shoes usually do well. I didn't get any purple ones in this box.
No purple.
Usually I get really cool purple.
Okay, this requires approval, but here we go.
Okay.
2 of these.
Sure.
Ready?
Yeah.
6392.
Okay.
66139096.
I'm pretty sure I sold these on...
it requires approval, so I don't know.
We can't sell them in new condition.
No? Okay.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure I sold those on eBay before.
You probably did.
Yeah. So I may just relist them because they're the exact same brands.
Okay, I got about 5 more items here.
Okay, great. Scanning away. So we might be able to just break even on the money we send to Amazon and then get pretty close to making all our money on Poshmark and Hooked on Pickin. And ooh, that has a weird barcode on it.
A very weird barcode. Yeah, it does.
Do you want me to just look it up? Let me look up that weird TY number. Okay.
Yeah, you can.
Read that. So it's, hold on, it's costs what?
Why don't you just type in this number?
Okay, TY.
TY 578799RE.
Not on there.
Not on there. Okay.
What is that?
It's that little car.
Oh yeah. Is there a barcode on what's the model of that? What's it called?
I can type this in and try it.
Okay.
TY 578799.
Okay, here's this one. It's a picture of a blue one though.
Ours is red. Does it
Yeah.
have variations?
It doesn't have variations.
No.
But
What was that going for?
they're currently unavailable. Hold on, let me see if I can find something equivalent on here. Because we'll probably just put it on Hooked on Pickin.
Yeah.
To me, I think that's what we'll do. Here's the red one right here.
The red one, yeah.
Nice. 109.33, and I found it.
Beautiful.
So I'm just gonna see.
We opened it, but everything is still sealed brand new.
Yeah. Let me see if it's got a sales rank in that. And see if I have any listing limitations on it. We can sell it new. I don't think it has a sales rank.
No sales rank.
No sales rank at all.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna list it on Hooked on Pickin.
Hooked on Pickin?
Yep. I'm just gonna leave this window open so I know where to find it. Okay. Alrighty. So it'll be on Hooked on Pickin if you want it. It's going for $109 online, so I'll probably sell mine for, I don't know, $70 or something.
Oh, man, that bar is right.
It won't.
Yeah.
It won't scan.
I'll try some of these.
That's a kettlebell kit, though. I don't want to send that to Amazon. It's gonna weigh too
Gonna
much.
be very
Yeah, I'll probably just sell it on Facebook Marketplace.
That's a good point.
So.
Here's one for you. Ready?
Yep.
7028689698. Crud, I said it wrong.
Okay. 7028.
68.
Okay.
969986.
Got it. Yes. Good sales rank. New condition.
So this one's going Facebook Marketplace.
Yeah. Carry-on luggage. Ooh, this is gonna sell good. $92.99 after fees, $52.
Very nice.
Okay, hold on. This readjusted my prices on here. It's gonna take me a minute. I gotta edit some of my prices here because it added a $4 cost to all these. I don't know why. Oh, because we had sold those JBU boots before. So, okay. So we're at $542. So we have officially made up our money.
Oh yeah.
And where's the barcode on this? Just the. Okay. So yeah, we have officially made up our money. We're currently at 15 total items. And so all that's basically profit. And I'll be able to get a lot of this sold.
More stuff back there, but it's not really scannable.
Yeah, it's not Amazon worthy. Yep. It's not in good condition. Okay.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
8851198408.
Not on there.
Oh, it was. It scanned on mine.
Okay. What number did it scan on yours? You said 88511.
No. You missed a 6. 88 then 6.
Okay.
Try that. Boom.
There it is.
Those pet steps.
Yep. We have sold these before.
Have we really?
Yeah. Alrighty. Make a few dollars. The fees on this is kind of high, but it's all right. They're almost a guaranteed sale. It's got 2,856 in sales rank, so it's going to sell almost immediately.
The last item here.
Okay. And then we're going to come back with a total of how much we think we can make on the rest of it.
Yep.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
841795150545.
Yes, this is that fun luggage.
Yep. It's Miami Beach.
Yeah. Yep, we can sell that. Ooh, selling for good money.
Luggage does.
Yeah, $69.99, $38 after fees.
Not bad.
Perfect. All right, so we are currently at 17 total items for $584.85. Okay, so we have 17 items going to Amazon, big pile. So we'll have to use some big boxes. But we're going to go ahead and add up everything that we're going to put on Hooked on Pickin, Poshmark, Facebook, and give you a total for how much we think we're going to make. Okay, so is it worth it? Yes. Amazon, we've got 17 items for $584 is what we're going to make. That's after fees. All these numbers are after fees. Poshmark, I've got 19 total items for $390. I've got some coats over here. I've got some shoes back there, some other coats, some other clothing articles. Then on Facebook, I'm going to definitely sell these kettlebells because they're massively heavy. So I think I can get about 50 bucks there. And then on Hooked on Pickin, I've got 11 total items I'm going to put on there for $280 is what I think I can make. And remember, I give a great discount on Hooked on Pickin, so check those out. So I'm totaled out at $1,304. Let's take off the $515 we spent to purchase this pallet, and I'm at a profit of $789 on this pallet. So that's really, really good. I'm excited about the profit I'm going to make on this. It's over doubling my money, so I'm making my money back plus even more than what I paid for it. Hopefully it's been helpful to see this listing process even with a broken scanner, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Would you like to make tons of money selling on Poshmark? Well, check out my new ebook, How to Create a Profitable Poshmark Store. Why do we sell on Poshmark? Where to get my inventory? How to create my first listing? How to sell my items? And then, of course, I give you also all my secrets on my top tips. If you'd like to purchase this ebook, just go to hookedonpickin.com or click the link in the description below. Hey, thanks for watching. If you too would like to resell, go ahead and go to hookedonpickin.com. I have tons of reseller helps that'll encourage you to keep going in the reseller world. Of course, watch more of my videos, and if you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I put a video out every single day.